ಫೆನ್ನಹುರಿಹಾ ಕುಲತಕುನ್ನಲ ಮಂಜರೆಮ್ಮೆ ಹಮಬಲ ದೆಂಹಿಂಗಾ ಹುರಿಹಾ ಕುದಿಂಬೆಸ್ ಕುಲತಕುಗೆ ನಂಬುಣಲಮ.
Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to be showing you a lungs experiment. First you need 3 balloons, 1 straw and 1 bottle. First you have to take off the lid, then you have to take off the sticker and then cut it. Then you have to put the balloons on this, put the balloon on the straw. Then you have to cut this part, and then you have to cut this part too. Then you have to put the piece in here, and then what you do is put the other balloon. Then you have to put it inside the bottle. Then you have to put it inside the bottle. Then you have to put the lid on. Then before that you have to cut a hole in it. Then you have to cut the balloon to this much. Then you have to put it on the bottle. Then you have to pull this part. Then it will make the balloons blow. Jazakallah khairan.